Hey everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're looking for a portable drone with a big screen, smart flight features, and impressive camera performance, today's review is for you. This is the new E88GT Drone, and in this video, I'll show you what it can do, who it's for, and whether it's worth your money. Right out of the box, the E88GT makes a great first impression. It features a foldable design, which means it's compact, lightweight, and super easy to carry, perfect for travel, hiking, or outdoor adventures. When unfolded, it feels solid and balanced, and when folded, it fits easily into a backpack. The LED navigation lights are bright and practical, especially when flying in low light conditions. Now let's talk about the highlight, the dual camera system. The front HD camera is adjustable up to 90 degrees using the remote, which is fantastic for getting creative angles without landing the drone. You also get real-time Wi-Fi FPV transmission, so what you see on your phone or screen is exactly what the drone sees in the air. Whether you're capturing landscapes, travel moments, or casual social media clips, this drone gives you a fun and flexible shooting experience. Flying the E88GT is surprisingly smooth thanks to its 6-channel gyroscope and intelligent optical flow hovering. It maintains stable altitude and position, making it very beginner-friendly. There's also headless mode, so you don't have to worry about orientation, and multi-speed settings let you choose between slow, smooth flights or faster, more exciting movements. This drone is packed with smart functions. You get one-key takeoff and landing, an emergency stop for safety, and 360-degree stunt rolls for fun flying. Using the app, you can enable trajectory flight, where you draw a path on the screen and the drone follows it automatically. There's also circle flight and intelligent follow mode, which is perfect for outdoor walks, cycling, or action shots. Plus, the app allows gesture photography, beauty filters, and even MV-style video creation, great for content creators and beginners alike. The E88GT runs on a 3.7-volt, 1800 mAh lithium battery, giving you around 10 minutes of flight time per charge. The flight range is about 80 to 100 meters, which is ideal for casual flying and aerial photography in open areas. Both the drone and the remote control use rechargeable batteries, so no disposable batteries are needed. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need to get started: the drone, remote control, rechargeable battery, USB charging cable, spare propellers, screwdriver, protective rings, user manuals, and a memory card, a nice bonus for beginners. The new E88GT drone is a great choice for beginners learning to fly, travelers and outdoor enthusiasts, hobbyists who want smart features without complexity, gift buyers looking for a fun and capable drone. So, is the E88GT worth it? If you want a feature-packed, foldable drone with smart flight modes, dual cameras, and easy controls, the E88GT delivers a lot of value and fun in one compact package. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what drone you want to see next. Until then, fly safe, and I'll see you in the next video.